welcome back to our channel Life Review. My name is Dev and today we'll be doing a review of a very interesting product. So I buy and review a lot of Amazfit watches. So for example, this is the Amazfit Zepi, this is the Amazfit GTS 3, I have the trex 3. So I have done all of this. So today what I have is actually a band of this one, the Amazfit GTS 3, but this is not like the ordinary bands. Usually the ordinary bands are like this, there is a quick fix release, but this one is actually looks very similar to a Casio G-Shock. Yeah, I also do a lot of G-Shock unboxing in this channel. So if you want to see more watch reviews, subscribe to the channel. Lots more coming up in the future. So this actually looks like a G-Shock. This has the same like G-Shock, the protection and the resistance, something like that, but this will transform your Amazfit GTS 3 to a G-Shock. Yeah, so that's what that is for. And this will also protect entirely the bezel, the metal, everything. This will just go inside and this is a protection for everything. So this is a case as well as a strap, so 2-in-1. So this is quite nice. I got this for around 700 rupees from not Amazon or Flipkart. I got this directly from a site, I forgot the name of that, but this is a Chinese product. As you can see, it's written in China here. This is for GTS 1, 2, 3 and 4. So all of these are compatible. So very interesting item. So I'll put the link of that below. If you want to see that, you can just check out from that. Looks really nice. Okay, so let me quickly remove the straps and I will show you how to install this. Well, okay, this is compatible as they are saying. Amazfit all of the GTS models. So just put in like this. This will go here, and I have to say, yeah, very good fit. That looks awesome. This actually like makes it similar to the G-Shock, Casio G-Shock. As you can see, like even the names, protection, resist G-Shock. Okay, so yeah, it's very similar to a G-Shock right now. So even the oval scheme. All right, so let me show you. Let's see how this looks. So I would say this totally transforms the watch. And yeah, these are plastic, the buckle is metal, black metal, so that is quite nice, and it's quite soft. And yeah, the charging ports are open, so that will not be a problem. And yeah, this is for this model does not have a speaker, but there's a speaker cut, I think, for the GTS 4 to be compatible. But this is all extremely, like, as you can see, the fit is very good. All right, so if you want to transform your Amazfit GTS to a G-Shock, this is how you do it. So yeah, if you have any question, put them in the comment section. I will answer each and every one of you, and I will see you in a next video. Till then, stay safe and check out our latest videos. Bye.